Hi friends, in this video I am going to solve 3 questions about PEMDAS rule, so stay with me until the end. What is the answer of this question? 6 plus 6 divided by 2, then times 6, then over 8. First, we simplify the question. After we simplify the question, according to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify what inside the parentheses. PEMDAS shown the priority of the mathematical operations. So, first we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have addition, division and multiplication. When we have multiplication and division, we start from the left and simplify. So, first we do this division. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 plus 3, then times 6. After that, divided by 8. Again, we simplify the parentheses. In this step, we do the multiplication. Because the multiplication have the higher priority, 3 times 6 equal 18. 6 plus 18, then divided by 8. 6 plus 18 equals 24. And 24 divided by 8, that equals 3. And we get the final answer of this question. Okay guys, let's solve another question. Again, in the first step, we simplify the question. 2 minus 8 times 8 minus 2, then over 2. Let's simplify the question and solve it step by step together. As you can see in the image, we simplify the question. Now let's solve it step by step together. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, first we simplify what inside the parentheses. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 2 minus 8 times 6, then divided by 2. Again, we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have multiplication that have higher priority about subtraction. First, we do the multiplication. After that, we simplify what inside the parentheses and do the division. 2 minus 48, that equal negative 46. And negative 46 divided by 2 equals negative 23. And we get the final answer of this question. Okay guys, let's solve another question. 8 minus 4, then times 8 minus 4, then over 2. Again, we simplify the question. 8 minus 4 times 8 minus 4, then divided by 2. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. After we simplify the parentheses, we can solve the question. PEMDAS shown the priority of the mathematical operation, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now we have a new expression, 8 minus 4, then times 4, then divided by 2. First we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, first we do the multiplication. Negative 4 times 4 equals negative 16. Now we have 8 minus 16, then divided by 2. First, we simplify what inside the parentheses. 8 minus 16, that equals negative 8. And negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4. And we get the final answer of this question. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.